Hi children, good morning. How are you? I hope you are fine and you are safe. So children, yesterday we have learned about all the plants, how the process of photosynthesis is going on and how the starch is formed in form of starch in the plants. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about all the experiment what we need to, what there in the textbook. Okay children, so before going to that, I am going to explain what are non-green plants. Okay children, what are non-green plants? Which are not in their green in color. It means they lack the chlorophyll pigment, which is the chlorophyll is green pigment in color. Okay, and so in the few plants there is no chlorophyll or the hidden chlorophyll. I'll show you which one. Okay, see this children, this is cactus, this is moths, and this one mushrooms, and this one is crotons. Few of the leaves you can see purple in color, violet in color. Not all leaves are green in color. Okay, so those plants are called as non-green plants. Okay children, but they also do the photosynthesis and they will also prepare their own food with the help of what? Photosynthesis only. But the chlorophyll required in very less amount. Okay children, so those are about the non-green plants. Okay, in that molds, have you seen the molds which are there in the when sometimes it rained and you will find here there in the mud sometimes mushrooms are found. Yes, and they don't have any flowers, they don't have any leaves. Okay, so they are the buds and they are just non-green in color, but they can eat the dead matter, like whatever there in the mud and all, so that they can eat the microorganism. Even the molds you can found in the molds, like after in the dosa batter also you can find that molds, and you can find the bread, some fungus is going on that is also a type of molds only. That molds are type of the fungi only. Okay, so those are different plants which are non-green plants. Okay, now I am going to tell one experiment whether the starch is needed, whether the starch is present in the leaves or not. Okay children, so first of all you have to do this experiment. Okay children, in this you have to take one leaf, green leaf. Okay, that you have to boil in water. Okay, next one, that again you have to take that leaf and boil in alcohol. Okay children, next you have to wash that leaf in the cold water, and then you have to take that few drops of water, you have to take that leaf and you just wash it. Okay, then few drops of iodine solution which is little bluish in color, and that one you have to pour the drops on it. Okay, so it will convert into blue black color. That leaf changes in color, it means that is a presence of starch in it. Okay children, now so if this experiment we can say that starch is present in the green leaves and even the green plants also, and starch is stored in the form of starch only. The green leaves are present. Have you seen that pulp of that fruits and all? Yeah, that starch is present. Okay children, now whether the sunlight is needed or not for the photosynthesis. Okay, what do you mean by photosynthesis? Yeah, it is a process in which the plants prepare their own food with the help of water, chlorophyll, carbon dioxide. Okay, and carbon dioxide, water, okay, sunlight. Okay, these all the things comes into the photosynthesis. Okay, and at the result, what is exhaled out from the plants? That is oxygen. And what they are inhaling? Yes, that is the carbon dioxide. Where this process is going on the surface of the leaves. Okay, so now we have to see whether the plants need sunlight or not. Suppose you have to take one leaf. Okay, you have to go outside and check whether any potted plants are there or not. Okay, now in that one what you need to do is take a black strip, and suppose this type of leaves is there, then you have to keep on that strip. Okay, that you have to do if it is very hot day, then you have to take only 4 to 5 hours are enough. Okay, but if it is not that much half day, like it is not that much of it is somewhat a rainy day, then you have to at least minimum 24 hours you have to keep it out. And it should be like whether the sunlight is fallen on that leaves or not, that you have to check. Okay children, now next what you need to do, take that leaf, the stripped leaf you have taken now, that just pluck out that leaf. What you have to do, the same process what you have done this experiment. Okay children, that leaf, strip leaf you have to take, then you have to boil in the water, very carefully boil into the water. Okay children, whatever you are doing experiments, you have to take very carefully, you have to handle everything very carefully, whether that's container, whether that holder, whether it's sleeve, everything. Make sure that strip should not turn out. Okay, next, that you have to boil in the alcohol. Alcohol is nothing but it's like more in the spirit. Okay children, now what I need to say is, next one, wash in the cold water. Wash in the cold water. That strip leaf you have to cold water, you have to wash. Next one, you have to again, the strip leaf you have taken, just take in the plate and then you have to pour the few drops of iodine solution. You find that where the green color is present in the leaf, that is changing color into the blue-black color, and that stripped part, it's not changing its color. Why? Because where the sunlight has fallen on the leaf, it consists of starch and it absorbs the sunlight. That's the reason it converted into the blue-black color after pouring into the iodine solution. But the strip, it does not absorb the sunlight. It means sunlight is very important for photosynthesis, right? Yes, when we have stripped that leaf, it means we have blocked that sunlight. Yes, that you can understand children. Okay children, now next experiment is what? The chlorophyll is needed for the photosynthesis or not. Okay children, so now only I have told you like different types of plants are there. Some green plants and some non-green plants. You just take one of the non-green plant, okay, which in which the purple color is present in here, and this one is green in color. Okay, what you have to do, take that coleus leaf. Okay, coleus leaf means which is non-green in color. Okay, what you have to do, the same process you have to do. Okay, same. Take the coleus leaf, then you have to boil in the water. Again, then you have to boil in alcohol, and then you have to wash in the cold water and that coleus leaf, and then just pour the few drops of iodine on that. Okay, you find that wherever the green color is there, that changes into blue-black color. Okay, and where the just like purple color is there, that won't change the color. Why? Because chlorophyll is important for photosynthesis, and it is also helps in to prepare the food for the plants. Okay, it's not like those who are not in green color, they are not preparing their food. Yes, they are preparing their own food, but in a very less amount. Okay children, now I'm going to say one thing, this like these three experiments you have to take at home. Okay, very carefully you need to do. Okay children, now see, plants and animals, we are both depend on each other. Plants can prepare their own food, but we can't prepare, means we have to depend. We have to prepare our food also, like vegetables and fruits, but we have to depend on the plants only. Okay, so it is very important to take care of our plants, and it is very important to take care of them. Okay, we have to pour the water every day in a sufficient manner, in the sufficient amount of water we have to pour. Okay children? Okay children, thank you, bye bye.
To demonstrate that light is necessary for photosynthesis. Requirements: potted plant, petri dish, boiling tube, alcohol 70%, iodine solution, Bunsen burner, forceps, beaker, water, dropper, black paper. Procedure: take a healthy potted plant and place it in dark for about 72 hours so that the leaves become free from starch. After 72 hours, select a leaf on the plant and cover a portion of it on both sides with black paper. Keep the potted plant with the covered leaf in sunlight for a few hours. After a few hours, detach the covered leaf from the plant and remove the black papers. Boil the leaf in water for a few minutes. Now boil the leaf in alcohol in a water bath till it becomes dull white due to the removal of chlorophyll. Wash the leaf with water and add iodine solution. Observation: the portion of leaf which was covered does not change color, whereas the portion which was uncovered turns blue-black. Inference and conclusion: the portion of leaf which was not covered received all the factors necessary for photosynthesis. Therefore, that part could only photosynthesize, whereas the one which was covered could not manufacture food. The presence of starch gave the positive test with iodine, that is, turned to blue-black color. Photosynthesis is the process of manufacturing of food by the green parts of the plant, especially the leaves, in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, with the help of carbon dioxide and water.